Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. You're watching Crafty Liz Creations. Today we'll be working on the character board. Here's the vinyl. Mermaid Kisses, Starfish Wishes, it says. This vinyl is from uniqueinthecreek.com. Vinyl number 544. If you wish to go ahead and go purchase this. This too is from uniqueinthecreek.com if you want to go purchase it. So what I do to get started to add my vinyl is I make sure nothing is on in the middle of this board here where I'm going to be attaching my vinyl. Get all that stuff out of there. If you see any debris, just wipe it down with a clean paper towel. And I usually wet my paper towel. See that? I'm just wetting this paper towel. And then I'm just gonna wet the middle part of this character board. The reason why I'm doing this is because once I go in and add my vinyl, make sure it's wet enough, just that much. So this way you can just, once you go to attach your vinyl, see that? I'm just gonna take it off from the bottom. Take it off. That's garbage. And I line it up. And oops, that's on crooked. And what you can just do is just rip it off easily because of the wet middle part of the character board. It just comes off easy. That's why the water is there. So this is how I attach mine. I fold this up like a taco and lay it down gently. You see some of the holes are covered up a little bit. We don't want that, so take it off again and reapply it. We don't want to cover the holes. You see, keep covering them. I hope that's good. No, what's wrong? Here we go. This should be good now. Yes, perfect. And what you could do here now is grab something flat. This is a squeegee. UniqueinTheCreek.com has a squeegee, their own version of a squeegee, but I've had this for a while. This is a Mod Podge one, so this works just as well. If you want, if you're kind of scared that it might scratch the vinyl, what you could do also is grab a small piece of paper towel. This way you don't want to scratch the vinyl. You can just put it like that and start from the middle, work your way out, pressing down firmly all the way around. What you're doing here now is you are getting all those air bubbles that might be in there out of there. Okay, press down gently and work your way out. And once you think it's all good, you go in and look at your vinyl, hold it up to the light to see if you got all the air bubbles out, and if you think they're good, then it's ready to be decorated. And this vinyl does adhere for about 24 hours, but you can go ahead and start decorating it. You won't damage it, ruin it, or anything. And this vinyl can also go outside. What I do is wipe everything off. Make sure the water is off the vinyl and the board. And this is good for outside. This vinyl, it's like those metal signs. So now let's attach the zip ties. So we'll need 32 zip ties in total. So I'll be attaching the zip ties all the way around, two each, all the way around. I'm using all 3 holes. Okay, so that's how I'll be adding my zip ties all the way around, 2 on each. Okay. I'll continue attaching, placing the zip ties. Row 1, row 1 and a half, and row 2. 1, 1 and a half, and hole 3, should be saying. You can also, what you can do also is load from the back. You can also load your zip ties from the back, like that. If you think that's faster, you can also do that. Which I think it's a little faster, or maybe it's the same time, I think. You can also do this if you don't want to turn your your board around and around. This is a good way to do this as well. Ready? I'm kind of slow like that. I'll do it this way, so I can just close the zip ties. When you hear a couple of clicks, you should stop there because you don't want to close your zip ties fully